in this video, I am going to show you all how to thoroughly clean your breast pump accessories, your bottles, nipples, and pacifiers. So stay tuned for that. So the item that I'm using to clean these products is from Medela, just the brand that I choose to use because they work really well. But this is the Quick Clean Micro Steam Bag, and it has like this thick plastic material. And you can use this up to 20 times, and how you'll be able to keep up with the amount of times that you use it, you have here, which is the check box after each use. So every time that you use it, you just mark off your times there, and then once you get to 20, you just toss it out. You take all your products and you place them into the bag. Fill one of your bottles up to 2 ounces, and that'll make it easier, so you'll know that that is exactly how much you need, because anything less than 2 ounces is going to shrink your products. Now I'm going to take my 2 ounces of water, pour it inside, seal my bag, and make sure that it's sealed all the way up. Once that has been done, you are going to place it into the microwave at the recommended wattage that is listed on the bag. So with mine, it is recommended that I steam it up for 1.5 minutes. So now that the steaming is done, it is recommended that you place an oven mitt for safety. Take the water in your steam bag and pour it out. Now that everything is cooled down, you can take a look at everything that you sanitize. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next how-to. Bye!